As Washington State Patrol Trooper Sarah Clasen awaits her arraignment in Benton County next week due to her involvement in a deadly crash in Richland earlier this year. We're learning more about what to expect and how we got to this point. We spoke with a criminal law expert out of the University of Washington to ask a series of questions about the case, including why it took prosecutors more than 6 months to file vehicular homicide charges against Clasen, despite sufficient evidence being available months ago.
The prosecution changed. If I remember correctly, the original prosecutor actually changed. And so that might be something where maybe the court says, in the interest of justice, we want to give time so that the prosecutor can bring a fair case, get up to speed. Now, that could be a small delay, but a delay nonetheless.
Professor Garavito goes on to say that despite the irregular delay, he doesn't expect favoritism on Clasen's behalf is occurring. When asked how an upcoming trial could look, he says it depends on the path the defendant's team takes.
Do they want a jury or do they want a bench trial? And if you want a bench trial where it's just the judge is the fact finder, then that can tremendously speed up because there's only one decision maker. Whether it's an issue of law, whether it's an issue of fact, one decision maker. I'm talking by at least a month, maybe even longer, depending on what exactly the type of case.
Clasen is due for her arraignment on September 24th. Her defense attorney could not be reached for comment regarding on how they plan to plead. Well, if you have a story you'd like us to look into, let us know on our tip line. Send an email to tips@kimatv.com. You can also call us at 575-KIMA. And make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.